Car Craze Dad here again. One of the biggest faults that salespeople do is they talk too much. So when you're helping a customer, shut up. Just shut up. It's that easy. All you have to do, ask them a few questions. Ask them about their family. Ask them about their life. Find out what they do. I think you'll be shocked at how much information you get, so that way you can help guide them. Guide them to the right car. Once again, it's about the pick. If you guide them the correct way, they'll buy a car. Sometimes you might not have the car. If they see you're genuinely helping them and they know, they'll buy a car from you. They'll bend over backwards to buy a car for you. They'll make a car that they don't really care for work just to buy a car from you. So do it. Remember, it's all about them.